If you've ever wanted to teach your cat to wear a harness, ride in a backpack, get in their carrier, come when called, do cute tricks, or even play fun enrichment games, clicker training can help to make all of that possible. But before you can teach any of those skills, there is one important first step: charging the clicker. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hi, I'm Emily, cat trainer and cat adventure enthusiast. I believe cats are capable of so much more than we give them credit for. Let's help them thrive with enrichment, training, and adventure, indoors and out. Let's kitty cat go. Clicker training is one of my favorite ways to bond with my cats, and it also gives them some much needed enrichment time. It's also my favorite training method because it allows us to clearly communicate with our cats, and they can easily understand what behaviors it is we're asking them to do. Before we can start teaching behaviors though, we need to first teach our cat what the click sound actually means, and that's what charging the clicker is all about. Charging the clicker is simply the process of teaching your cat that every click means something good is about to happen, specifically that they're about to get a treat. Eventually your cat will hear the click and immediately think, treat time! Once your cat understands that connection, we can start to use the clicker to reinforce and mark behaviors that we want to see more of. To get your clicker all charged up, you're just going to need a few things: a clicker, your cat's favorite treats, and a quiet area with minimal distractions. If you have multiple cats, I recommend working with just one cat at a time for minimum interference and maximum focus. The actual process of charging the clicker is super simple. Click, then immediately give your cat a treat. That's it. Click, treat. Click, treat. Click, treat. As you're doing this, don't worry about asking your cat to do anything specific. In fact, you want your cat doing different things throughout the session. You don't want them to think that the click means sit, or look at me, or walk over here. You want them to learn one thing and one thing only. Click equals treat. So click, reward, wait a few seconds, and repeat. Some cats make the connection really quickly, maybe in just a session or two, while others may need several days of practice. And that's okay. Keep working with your cat for as long as it takes. I recommend keeping your training sessions short. 1 to 5 minutes is plenty. And you can do multiple training sessions throughout the day. Just give your cat a break in between. A good sign that your cat is beginning to understand the clicker is that they'll start looking for their treat as soon as they hear the click. Works like a charm. You may notice that their ears perk up, their head turns, and they walk towards you expectantly. That's exactly what we want. Once you're consistently seeing that response, you're ready to move to the next step in your clicker training journey. And that's it. Charging the clicker is super simple, but it's the foundation for everything that comes next. Once your cat understands that click means treat, you'll be able to use clicker training to work on so many skills, from harness training to backpack training, confidence building, bonding, fun enrichment games, and so much more. In my next video, I'm going to show you the skill you're going to want to teach your cat next to build on the foundations from today, and that's target training. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cat adventure, training, and enrichment tips. Until next time, happy adventuring.